Hmm. Let me check. Okay. Timeline. Hello everyone. So myself First, and this is the day one of reaching pupil. I don't know. Uh, so this is my profile currently, and yeah, the main plan of this stream is to focus myself First, and let's see. This is the day one. So I'm currently 8:45 rated, so I think I should practice between mm, 1000 to 1. Oh no, I think 1100 to 1300. I think makes sense. Let's see. Hmm. I will solve this one and okay, this one. Yeah, okay. So this one and this one. So these are two targets. The both are all. Oh, both are from same div 3991. Okay, so yeah, let's solve. Let me set my VS Code first. Hmm. Yeah, good. Mm, an interesting number. Nice. Okay, got it. Let's see. Mm. You are given a number n with a length not more than 10 power 5. You can perform the following operation or any number of times. Mm, Let me bring my notebook. An interesting number. You are given a number n with a length not more than 10 power 5. You can perform the following operations any number of times. Okay. Choose one of its digit, square it, and replace the original digit with the result. The result must be a digit. That is, if you choose the digit x, the value x square must be less than 10. I think I solved it once before. No, I don't. But for sure, I read this question before. Or maybe I gave this contest. Yeah, I gave it. Transfusion. I absolved them. Yep, yep, yep. I remember. So let's see. The result must be a digit. That is, if you choose the digit x, then the value x square must be less than 10. Is it possible to obtain a number that is divisible by 9 through these operations? You are given a number n with a length not more than this. You can perform the following operations. You can perform the following operations any number of times. कितने भी number बार हम कर सकते हैं. Choose one digit, square it and replace the original digit with the result. अच्छा, कोई भी एक डिजिट हमने चूज की, उसको स्क्वायर से रिप्लेस किया और फिर पुट कर दिया. द रिजल्ट मस्ट बी अ डिजिट. जो भी रिजल्ट आएगा वो भी डिजिट होना चाहिए. बिल्कुल सही है. दैट इज इफ यू चूज द राइट डिजिट. Okay, right digit x, then the x square must be less than 10. If x square is less than 10, then x can be 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's see. Uh, x must be less than 4. Okay, x must be less than 4 because x square must be less than 10, so x can be 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3. And 0. It can be 0. I don't know. Uh, the result must be if you choose the digit, then the value of x square. If you choose the digit, oh yeah, if you choose the digit, yep, that I mean 0 square is 0, so that makes no sense to replace, I guess. Is it possible to obtain a number that is divisible by 9 through this operation? A number which is divisible by 9. I mean the number divisibility by 9. I think their sum must be divisible by 9. I don't know, let me check. Condition of number to be divisible by 9. Condition of a number to be divisible by 9. Yep. Divisibility. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of digit is also divisible by 9. This rule is applied to any number regardless of the site. For example, let's say 409, 4 plus 0 plus 9 is and 13 is divisible by 13. So it's not divisible. Yep. Makes sense. Yep. Let's see the. It is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3, 4, 5, 6. Currently the sum is 6. We have to make it 9. 6, 7, 8, 9. Plus 3 चाहिए. So if I just increase this 2 to 3, it will be 3 and it will give me wait 4 plus 3, 1, 2 and 3. mm, uh, this will be 4, 1, 4, 3, then 5, 6, 7, 8. No, yep, no, makes no sense. Okay, so as far as I can conclude from this question is that uh, 0 square is equals to 0, so it will not change any number, but and 1 square is also 0, so it also changes nothing. Not 0, actually it's 1, so it makes no change in the summation of the digits of a given number, which is n. And but in the case of 2 and 3, it changes the number. How? If 2 square is equals to 4 and the 3 square is 9. So how, I mean, if 3 is in the question, so it will and it will be 9 if I just replaced it. Then it will give me a plus 6. This will give me a plus 6. And here I will get a plus 2. Plus 2. Yep. I will get a plus 2 and here I will get a plus 6. And divisible by 9. Divisible by 9. Divisible by 9. Sum of digits must be divisible by 9. Let's make sense, I guess. Okay, so if we take an example of 3, 2, 2, let's try run it. 3, 3, 2. That is the sum currently is 3, 3 plus 3 plus 2, which is 3, 3, 6, 7, 8 is 8. Okay, so I have to, yeah, 3, 3, 6, 7, 8. Yep, it is 8. So I have to increase it such that they are the summation of them is divisible by 9. So if I increased it by 6, if I just 8 plus 6, then it will be 8 plus 6, it is 14. And if I just increase it by plus 6 again, then it will be, and it will be 20. I can, no. It will not work. How it will work? Mm, 3, 3, 3, na? Okay, so plus 2 here. If I just square it, plus 2 here, it will be 4, and the summation will be 10. This is not divisible by 9. 10, then plus 6. Uh, Actually, I am in a delta minus 10. How to make a 10 from these? 14 plus this. Wait, 9, 18, and 18, 3 are 27, 9, 3 are 29, 3 are 4 are 36, 9, 5 are 45. Yep. Okay. So currently the summation is 8. I have to make it 9 actually. So Z. Okay. Let's see how they are doing. The second we need to replace the second digit of the square and 3, 4, 2. Hmm. Wait. What is it? Hmm. 38 into 9. 3, 4, 2. Wait. 3, 4, 2. Hmm. Okay. So my bad. 3, 3, 2. I think I misread the question actually. You can perform the following operation in term. Choose and one digit of it, square it and replace the original digit. Square it and replace it with the original digit with the result. So here it chooses 3, 5, 6. Oh, sorry. My bad. 3, 3, 2, 2. It's actually 3, 2, 2. That's right. So the summation will be 3, 2, 2 and summation will be 7. So we need a plus 2. So we need a only plus 2 which we can achieve by squaring the set 2, which is, yep, yep. Got it. Yep. That makes sense actually. So what we are going to do? So first, the plan is to calculate the numbers of 2 and 3, then perform operations. Yep. So let me just make a logic in my notebook really quick. Oh. Hmm. The first step is we have to count the number 3 and 2. We can calculate it by string. Yes, we can input it as a string and calculate the number. How many 2's and 3's. Once we get the number of 2's and 3's, we can check what is the mod. Yeah, we can take the mod. Hmm. String. Hmm. Uh, if a number is 322, so if we take a mod with 9, we get the remainder, which must be 7. Let me do it real quick. Uh, here's my calculator. 322 divided by 9 is 35.77. So what we can do is, hmm, 5.9 315. Yep, 315. Which is 7. Yep, mod is 7. Mod is 7. We get mod is 7. So can we make a difference? The mod is 7, remainder is 7. So the we need a 9 minus 7, which is true. So can we have 2? Yep, yet we have. And what if, yeah, mm, mm, can we make a multiple of 9s with the combination of plus 6 and anything else? I'm just thinking of that. 6, 6, 12, 18. Uh, no, 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 no. I think I'm thinking in a wrong direction. Hmm. Let me try to formalize what am thinking. Oh. So I am thinking like uh, plus 6. If the mod is let's say plus 1. Yep. And somehow plus 6 we have lot of 3s and 2s. Can we somehow make a combination of 3s and 2s such that they can make the void of plus 1 and also that same but divisible by others? I don't know what I'm saying, but yeah, let me try. Let me try to code it first. So in PC and going to take and n take n. No, no, no. Okay, we are taking it as a output string. Okay, string n and string n say in n and for and I equals to 0, I less than I plus plus if s of I is equals to what we say, uh, is it equal to 2, then why it is giving me error. Huh. Okay, got it. String s cns and what is and I is and n is equals to s dot sets. Yeah, makes sense, I guess. Yep, that makes sense. So we have to make two iterators actually, and cnt2 equal to 0 and cnt3 equals to 0. Okay, if s equal to 2, then do the cnt2 plus plus, else if s else of s of I is equals to 3, then just do cnt 3 plus plus, that's it, and exit. So once we get the number of them, and then what we have to do is uh, we have to take the mod also, no? So int num is equals to s minus, I guess, 0. I'm not sure if it will work or not. No, it will not work for sure. How to convert a string to a number? Complete string to a number. Do you have to do it index wise? I don't think so. How to convert a string to a number? That is the question, no? Okay, how to convert a string to a number? Hmm. How to convert a string to a number? How to convert a string to a number? How to convert a string to a number? Let me see. How to convert a into a number. CPP. No. I think there is a function. I think I recently used in a lead code question of fizzbuzz. String 2, if I'm not wrong. Am I? String 2. Uh, yes, I'm not wrong. Let me just go into my lead code question. I guess that will speed up the task. Lead code. Uh, Last question fizzbuzz. String 2. By the way, this is my lead code profile. Hmm. I don't use lead code much. I mean, I'm not using lead code anymore. Fizzbuzz, yep, this question I was talking about. This was the question I was talking about actually. This is here. Two string, okay. Two string. It is 2string. This function will do it, the work for me. Uh, no instant overload, string hours is the argument. I mean, I've just loaded this. टू स्ट्रिंग एंट वैल्यू अच्छा एंट की एक वैल्यू देनी पड़ेगी ना मेरे को नो आई थिंक टू नम नहीं होना चाहिए टू here I converted a what I converted a string to a number, no? String to a number, yep. I converted a string to a number. This is I doing index wise. Mm. Ah, int num is equals to stoi, stoi, stoi. Is it a function? Yep, it is it. Cout. Uh, num minus one, let's say. Okay. Where is it? Run all. Yeah. Run all, run all, run all. Why? Yes, it is giving me an error actually. Ah, I mean, I don't care where to give me. Ah, clear, clear, clear. Array. Compiler is too slow. Why it is not working? Ah, yeah, it works. 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. Yep, yep, yep. It converts STOIC, STOI. Okay, got it, got it. STOI. OI. Use the function fun function stoi and input a input string. Yep, this is just the thing I was thinking about once before. So yep. I think I should make a note on every code because it makes sense. Yep. Mm, and I have to check. I mean, how I will go from getting the mod. I mean, if the mod is int rem, okay, int rem रिमाइंडर कितना आएगा इज 9 माइनस नम नम मॉड्यूलो num modulo 9. No, not num modulo, it is the sum of every digits. uh yeah, I have to take the sum of every digit. So yeah, I mean, I can just take a sum is equals to 0, and here I can do a sum plus equal to s of I, s of I minus, I guess, 0. I mean, that makes sense. Yep. So if I have to check, is it working or not? Has some modulo 9 actually. Some modulo 9. 9 minus sum modulo 9. I will write the remainder. Yeah, I mean, if rem rem equal to 2 or rem equal to equal to 3, no, no, it equal to 8, or uh, uh, no, 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 no. Uh, I don't think modulo make any sense. Uh, I think I'm stuck, and I already spent time before on this question, so it's good to watch, I guess, tutorial for sure. What is eh? Is it in Russian? Where is it? Yeah, here we go. The requirement that the digit must remain a digit impose the following restriction in the transformation. We can transform, we can from 0 into 0 and 1 into 1, 2 into 4 and 3 into 9 as same as we thought. Any other digit squared will, yep. Therefore, it cannot be transformed. Transformation involving 0 and 1 are useless, leaving us to two possible actions, squaring a digit 2 and 3. Perfect. Uh, till here, our logic is great. We will use a divisibility rule for 9. It states that the number is divisible by 9 if and only if the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. Let's see how the sum of digit will change the possible transformation. If we square 2, the sum of digits increase by minus 2. It will be 2 and 3. Perfect. This is what I stated here. I mean, I just deleted it, but yeah, this is, I mean, be able to conclude that this statement will here. We will count the number of 2's in the number and number of 3's in the number. We can choose how many available digits of 2 and 3 will be transformed. Perfect. Transforming more than 8 2's and more than 8 3's is pointless because remainder modulo 9 their transform add to the sum will repeat. Transforming more than 8 2's and more than 8 3's is pointless. Why is it pointless? 8 8 is extreme. No, hey, wait. 8 2's, it will increase the sum by plus 2 8 times 16. 16, okay. More than 8, 8 से ज़्यादा, it means 9. 9 to the 18, yep. And 8 8 times 6, 6 8s are 6 9s are, yep, 9 times, yep, 9 times, yep, that makes sense. Mm. Does the final solution look like this? We calculate the sum of digits in the number. We calculate the sum of digits in a number, count the number of 2 and 3. We will iterate over how many 2's we can change possibly 0 but not more than 8, and how many 3's we can change possibly 0 but not more than 8. Let's say we change x digits 2 and y digits 3. The sum of digits is increased by x times 2 and y. If new sum is divisible in ninth, the answer is yes. If such situation was never reached during the iteration. Oh, it makes sense. I mean, is it in a time complexity of O of n square? Uh, Not really actually. If it is, because it is O of n. Uh, how we can do it? How we can implement it? How we can implement this question? I mean, I am able to get this logic, but this logic was something I'm not able to get, and this confused me a little bit. And I think, but as he draw this conclusion from this, so yeah, I mean, for sure, let's thus the final solution look like. We can calculate the sum of digits in number, count the number of digits of 2 and 3. We will iterate our how many 2 digits we can change, possibly 0 and 8, and how many 3 we can possibly. Yeah, I mean, let's try actually. Ah, 26 again. I mean, I'm not, the code don't look very good. Control X. Okay, and I will put it here. Uh, uh, Enter num is equals to stois. This converted the string to a number and we calculate the remainder. Actually, yeah, we just have to implement this line, no? And the new sum is divisible by 9. New sum. For and x equals to 0 and x less than 9, and then x less than cnt 2, and x plus plus, same for and y is equals to 0, y less than 9, and then y less than c and y plus plus. Yep. And what else? Yeah, I'm starting it with 0. So, um, if uh, sum sum plus x plus y modulo 9 equal to 0, then I think I should create a bool of bool flag equal to, starting it with false, and here I can just say a flag equal to 1 and break, and here if flag uh, flag cout yes, else cout no. I think this is the, yeah, it makes sense. Let's try it. Although, and then obviously there's a cout. Ah, boy, there's no use of rem actually. And there's no use of some num. So if I just comment this part and run this again, will it work or not? Oh, it gives the output in this condition. It is the fourth, three, fourth. Oh, okay. If you think already if it is, then 2, 2. Let me ask GPT for sure. I think I should not do it, but I think I already spent a lot of time on this question, so I think it is the right time to ask GPT if I'm making a very common error or not. Spot error. Here are filling in the code infinite while loop in the edge case. Infinite while loop. What? The main logic attempts to add if adding up to 9 additional tools and 3 can make the total simulation. However, if you make the with amount and are established regular per theater, once entire enter into unnecessary checks leading concurrent flagging. Ah, 2 into x actually. 2 into x plus 6 into y. Yep. We get one more yes. That's good. Ah, Darcy. Okay. Yeah, finally it works. But I think, still think, it will fail just because of this. I mean, this is for loop. Just because of this for loop. Oh, wow. This is something good. If flag, then break. Nice. This I will use this logic in upcoming questions, and this is also good logic, by the way. Finally, I think we solved it somehow, but I'm not pretty satisfied because I'm not able to solve it by own. What it does it for car C or auto C. Yeah, auto. We can also use auto, by the way. C minus 0, some plus minus. Yeah, we can just convert the string to this. And if CNN is out, and if C is this, and CNN plus for flag is something is is benign flag to break, break. Yep. This is a very, by the way, this is a very good logic, but for sure. Uh, Let me run it again as I changed the cat auto just for the it works. And this will give us a TLE for sure. I mean, if I'm not wrong, this will give us a TLE. I'm going to give a TLE. Please. Run. What? What happened? Run. How my friends are doing? We feel slow duty, except time and which the stars wearing. What? What is this? Nice. Wrong one. I must probably just copy pasted the lazy set tree. What is lazy set tree? Oof. Finally, it is running on test 3. That means it can be it accepted. It got accepted. Not not. I was not think. I was not thinking this will accept, but it got accepted. That's a very good sign. But where I was lacking, let me check. Which part of the code I was not able to get? The first thing which I think I was making a mistake was tracking the logic of this. 9 is less than 2 and x is less than 9. Yeah, this is the logic which I am not able to get. Like after 9 times 2, it just start adding to the, what we say? Because I think let's try this. Let's try this out. If we remove this and if we remove this one, okay. So what it going to do? It will learn infinitely, not close to infinite. Let's say if the count of 2 is too large. I mean, let me show you. This will most here it will not, but there it will. So let me show you. It must break down an interesting number, and here submit, and here we go. It must break down because if we don't put a restriction of CNT2 and CNT3, then oh, but the it run. Noise. Yeah, it takes the time and memory. Yeah. So it is slightly worse, to be honest. Yeah. So sum plus x into 2 and y into 3 is modulo 9 is 0. Mm, Control Z is yep. And then the string number. Good. Good with a string function strike and a string. I mean, I'm really impressed with this logic. I will for sure use this in coming questions. If flag break, this is a double while loop, break and break. Mm. Yeah, let's move to the next question. That's a very good question for sure. I mean, I never thought I will absolve this. Yeah, this is a very good question for sure because it is the D of div 3. I was just able to solve the first question as far as I remember by own, but I absolved two, but it's time to absolve the third one also. Question D, like line breaks transfusion. Yeah, when this contest happened, I don't know. I have no idea. Yeah. Yep, let's go. Digital string maximization. This is our next question. So yeah, let's do this for sure. I mean, let's take a notes of it. So next time I'm not able to. What I was able to not able to do it here is track the logic. The first one is not able to get the logic of some modular n equal to 0. Not able to get the logic of some plus this. And the second one is not able to get the logic of this. I mean, I got this logic for sure. And this if breaking out of the form the tool for loop. And the third one is uh, I'm quite impressed with this logic. I don't know why, but yeah, I think this is very good logic. Mm. Yep, that is pretty much the summary of this for sure. Let's read the question. Digital string maximization. You are given a string S consisting of digits 0 to 9. Okay, you have given a string in a one operation. You can pick any digit in the string except 0 or the leftmost digit or except 0 and or leftmost digit, decrease it by or the leftmost digit, decrease it by 1 and then swap it with the digit left to be picked. For example, in one operation from the string 1023 you can get 1103 or 1022. So you can't take any digit of the 0 and the leftmost digit. uh, I mean I can't take this then 2 and 3. So leftmost and then swap it with the digit left to be to the picked. Okay, if I take pick 2, decrease it by 1 1 3 1 1031 10. You are given a string is considered from in the you say left to the picked. Okay, so it is if it's 1 1103 1103 and if it is picked 3 then it will be 2 and swap 1022 for sure. Yep. Got the question. Find the lexicographically maximum string you can obtain from any number of operations. Uh, find the lexicographically. Find the lexicographically maximum string you can obtain from any number of operations. After find the lexicographically maximum string. What is lexicographically maximum string? I mean, let me check. Is it stream working or not? Hmm. Our channel and here it is live. Hmm. I mean, let me check. Is it stream working or not? It works pretty fine. Hmm. Our channel and my chat is disabled. It works pretty. My chat is disabled. Yeah, we'll figure it out after the live. So yeah, it's all this. Lexicographically maximum string you can obtain. Find the lexicographically. I have to find the lexicographically maximum string you can obtain after any number of operation. Lexicographically maximum string. Is it? Uh, what is lexicographically? As far as I remember, it is the order which dictionary follows. Yeah, it is the order which followed by dictionary. But lexicographically maximum string. It means if the string was in a dictionary, then what is the order? So it must be a 0, 1, 1, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think this must be. Alexa is the largest string that can be formed from a given set of characters or for the list. It heading the retro string according to the alphabetical order. Yeah, nice. Uh, yeah, I mean for sure. Yeah, what it? Digit, digital string maximization. Got it. So if it is 19, then we can't take 1 and 9. Then it is 8 1. What is already? Wait, 8 1. Oh, nice. Is it a reverse lexicography? Uh, I'm not able to pick it. String is inputting of s and I'm neither. Mm, what we have to do in this question exactly? I'm not able to get it. Find the lexicographically maximum string you can obtain after any number of operation. Find the lexicographically maximum string. You're given a string S consisting of digits 0 to 9, and in one operation you can pick any digit in the string except 0 or the leftmost digit, decrease it by 1 and swap it with the digit left to the picked. So it means if I pick the, let's say in the from the first S grid, if I pick the I can't pick 1 obviously because it is the leftmost element in a string. If I pick the 9, then I can decrease it by 1, 8 and then swap. So it will be 81. And in this question, in this test case, I can't pick 0 and I can't pick 1 because 1 is the uh, leftmost character of the string, and 0 there is a restriction of on 0 itself, wherever it is in the string. So yeah, so I think I can choose 7 and 9. So if I choose 9, I can make it a 8 and just swap it with the 0. And if I choose 7, then I can decrease it by 1, it will be 6. Then I can swap it with 1, then it will be 6, 1, 8, 0, 6, 7, 1, 0. Yeah, 6, 9. And then they just swapped 4 times. But what is the meaning of lexicographically maximum you can obtain after lexicographically maximum string? What do you mean by lexicographically maximum string here? Uh, You are given a string S consisting of digits from 0 to 9. In one operation, you can pick any digit in the except. Let's try to understand the question from GPT. Don't code, just explain the question. I mean, I'm not very confident I will able to crack the logic itself or not, because this is 1300 rated and I am currently 850 rated, close to 850. So there is a gap of 300 plus 150. It is 450. But yeah, I think I can able to, I think able to understand the question for sure. So okay, in this problem, you are given a string as consisting of the digits from 0 to 9 for sure. The goal is to find the lexicographically maximum string you can obtain by performing a series of operation. Yes. Explanation of the operation. You can select any digits in the yep. Yep. So I used to perform these operations in such a way that the obtain the maximum lexicographic knowledge. Lexicography means that comparing string on the string greater than yeah, what? Lexicography maximum means that when comparing strings, one string is greater if the first different character is greater in value from left to right. Okay. Yeah. Hmm. Maximum strings in terms of lexicography meaning the larger digit should come first in the string. Approach to start from the left one and attempt to move the larger digit towards the from. Try to keep higher digits at left if possible by decreasing them. Instead of the left digits through a series of steps, you want to maximize the string by strategically performing operation, always ensuring that you preserve the largest possible digit on the left. The key challenge is to decide which digit to decrease and when to swap them to maintain the lexicographically maximum strength. Yeah. So lexicographically maximum string if we want to make, we have to mm, place the we have to place the greatest digits on the left and smaller digits on the right. That I mean that makes sense for sure. Uh, how we can do it? I mean we can just make a for loop and iterate over the string, and if we ever encountered a number which is less than the preceding term, we can swap it, but we can multiple swap at the same time. Ah, uh, yeah, then again, yeah, then again, yeah, then again, yeah. I don't know, I mean, but oh, uh, this question makes me sleepy. Can't, okay, let's see. Oh, this makes sense to be very honest. Yeah, yeah, got the question at least. I'm able to understand the question at least. So I will solve it for sure. Hmm, how to solve this type of question? So, I think we'll try to solve it on paper first. If the previous digit s of I is less than s of I minus 1, s of I plus 1, index minus 1. If there is a gap of greater than 2, then we have to swap it. Otherwise, we don't. We don't have to swap it. Okay. And if we have to swap it, we will swap it and change the number and restart iteration and restart the iteration. I mean, I'm not able to what I am doing, but yeah. Uh, Enter CAN. No, and what I'm doing. Enter equal to is dot size. Yeah. Or and I equals to 0, I less than n, I plus I plus plus. If s of I minus uh yeah s of I plus 1 minus s of I uh, I think I should focus on my typing more is greater than 1, then what we have to do is s of I plus 1 minus equal to 1 and swap s of I comma s of I plus I plus 1. Okay, now let's see what this function is doing for sure. The out uh, s we can't output a whole string for sure. Yeah, we can't. Oh, we can. Nice. Uh, mm, I don't know why, but I'm getting an intuition. This must go in a complexity of O of n square because once we able to swap the first two digits. Yeah, once we able to swap the first two digits, then we have to get into these. We have to check these, you know. So for that, how we are going to get into depth. Ah, I mean, I'm just trying if it works or not. Into J equals to 0 and J is less than J plus plus and this therefore must go inside this control X P and yeah. mm, Daddy. Yeah, I mean, let's see. Um, 81 I mean. We get this, we have to get these two, no? 6710. How 6710 works actually? It is 1709. Okay, 1709, then it will go to 7 and say this is 6, 6109, 6109. So it will go something like 1709, 1709 will go to 6109, 6109. Then it will go to 6109, then uh, 09. It must be 80. Then it will 6180, 6180. Then it will go to 6180. And it will go to 6710, 6710. Yeah, 6710. This is how it goes. So our code breaks here 6180 it is not going here. So what is the reason for that? If we think 6109 6180, it maybe completed the iteration. Hmm, I don't know will it work or not, but let's try. Oh, wow. I mean, it works. I mean, I don't know how, but it works somehow. Yeah, why it works? I don't. I think it must fail the other test. This is just for intuition, I think. It will fail for sure. Oh, yes, yeah. Why this works? Yeah, it got time limit exited, but wow, when I'm able to crack this logic. The behind why I took in minus minus is I want to do a good number of iterations such that this will work. Yeah, I mean, this is just a thought process that I'm not getting enough times of for loop, so I just initialize it with n minus minus the total number of each index at least. But I think got time limit exceeded just because if let's say n is 9 and this sorted into lexicographically order in a third iteration, so why it is going doing 6 extra iteration? So we have to sort that. We have to sort that issue. For that, I we can else let's take a initializer CMP and C going to equal to is 0. Okay, and every time we are going to do a CMP plus plus and अरे यार CNT plus plus and if CNT equal to n हो गया ब्रेक कर दो भाई ब्रेक कर दो CNT n हो गया देन एक बूल भी बना देते हैं ना बूल फ्लैग boolean flag equal to 0 and so flag equal to 1. Yep. And if in a condition of while, this is a condition of while, condition of while, yeah, in a condition of while, um, so if flag true है, then Wait, 680, 680, it is not going for this. How to stop really actually the main question here. The one thing I can think as of now is if somehow we stop the iteration once we reached a lexicographically string before doing the n iterations. So let's say in this has a 4, n is 4, and we took 4 iteration, 1, 2, 3. Then we took 3, and why do have to do one extra iteration for sure. So how we are going to do that? So how we are going to do that? Yeah, that is the biggest question. Yeah, I think if I just initialize a counter here and it reaches, yeah, I think and CNT is 0, and if I just go there, CNT is plus, and CNT equal to n हो गया in 3. I think it will work for sure. Yeah, this needs to work for sure. Um, ah, this is very bad. I think I'm thinking in a wrong direction when I'm creating this logic. No. If CNT plus plus, if every time I iterate, ah, LCNT is 0. Yep. else. Yep, got it wrong. Yeah, this is not working. It's a very good question, but since I able to understand the core logic behind it, I just have to solve the TLE Pala part. And this will pretty much sort that for sure. How to optimize this code? Hmm. Oh. Mm. How to? The question is still the same. How to? Ah, I think I should ask GPT for sure. Let's read this logic, and this one. So, hmm? Let me see. Is it correct or not first? Yeah, bad code. No, very, very unoptimized, but yeah, I think I should spend more time on this later on. Yep, I think, yeah, I should spend more time on this logic. Able to get this by own. I will solve more time on this question for sure without looking at the solution. Yeah, that is pretty much for the stream. And this is since this is my first day, I don't know it, but yeah, this is just the way. I mean, I don't know what I'm saying, but yeah, since this is just solution of this channel, so let's see. Yeah, that is pretty much for the stream. Okay, so you are not able to hear me for sure because my y- my mic was bit low. Let me see. Okay, so you are not able to hear me for sure because so yeah, thanks if anyone is watching. For sure there is no one live, but if you're watching the stream, maybe in future when I become a very big YouTuber, joking, but yeah, I want to be because I decided it. There's nothing more I can say, and yeah, let's see. So this is my coding profile, and I have with a GitHub with the same username. I will going to push codes timely on it, and let's see how how this initiative goes in future because the future is very unpredictable and it is only depends on two-person. The first is you, and the second one is him. So believe in him and yourself, and let's see what future brings for us. So happy New Year, and keep keep your work very honestly and with a very you know I don't know firm is dharm. So no, your work is very important in your life. So yeah, just do it. So I don't know what I'm saying, but yeah, that make no sense. But for sure, thank you everyone. If you are watching this in future, so please comment it down so I can revisit and see how everything started because this is the starting of very big thing. When I become a millionaire or billionaire, I will see how it all started. I want to see. So please comment it down. Bye. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Bye 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 bye. Stop streaming. You will not able to reconnect. Your stream will be stopped. Yeah.